Okay, now in this second video we see how the linear equation could be solved. Okay, I'm going to show you with the help of some example, just like first example I have taken 2x equals to 4. Okay, now we need to find out the value of this x. So how we can find out the value of x? Because this x is attached with 2, and what is the sign? What does it mean? 2x equals to 2 means 2x means 2 into x, but when there is no sign is being placed, it means ultimately it means into. Okay, now when with the variable something is with the multiplication sign, how we can remove, how we can separate out this 2 from x? Okay, so I need to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Whatever the operation you are going to do, you need to do at both sides to balance the equation. Okay, so this is 2x. I want to remove this 2. Here what is going to come? That is not our concern. Our concern is right now is to make this x free from this 2. So, and this 2 is with the multiplication sign with the variable. So how we can remove? We need to divide by 2 both sides. Okay, so this is upon 2 equals to 4 divided by 2. Now I need to simplify. So this 2 and this 2 cancel out. So this side what is left? X, and this 4 I need to divide by 2. So 2. So this is going to be solution. Now if you want to check this calculated value is correct or not, what I need to do? I need to plug in this equation. Checking our solution. Okay, so this is our equation, 2x equals to 4. This is left hand side part and this is right hand side part. Now this side only the variable is involved, so I need to plug in this value x which I have calculated over here. Okay, so 2, and what is the sign? I told you if there is no sign it means multiplication sign, equals to 4. So 4 equals to 4. It's getting verified. So correct. The solution which we calculated, x equals to 2, that is correct. Thank you.